Sorry.
So, Ate Pearl,
What?
how's
I
the
was
movie so
starstruck.
far?
The movie?
I mean, the show, the play so far.
It was so good, but I fell asleep almost.
What?
Have to do with the play.
I'm sorry.
It was very, very good.
Karon break pa man, di ba?
Maybe. Pwede pa din.
I think so.
Hi.
Ayaw, di sa
This is a very good play. I was starstruck. Come on, naman.
Okay, JR. Siya mo ma sulti sa sa show so far.
Makahiyak.
Magkalina ka, G? Ano naman?
Wala ra. Feel na ako.
Emotional ang show, J.
Emotional ang piano.
Ang piano. Ang piano.
Medyo yung follower ni Pearls.
These are the followers of Ate Pearl. Asa naman to?
I have no idea why
Dili
they're
siya
up there. I have no idea why they're up there. Maybe I'm fake.
Ew, Ate Pearl. I'm so proud of you. You have such a bundle of followers.
In the loose auditorium.
And they are so loyal. And inside the loose auditorium.
So, nakawala ko yung mabuhatan na.
What can you say? What is your message to your followers?
Thank you very much. Keep on tweeting. How I wish they would transfer to, oh my god, sakit ang ulo ba agad. Wala. My lifespan is like 2 years na lang because I'm suffering from brain cancer.
Uy, buwan na ba magsulti-sulti ko na.
Oh, JR, you're so caring. Okay, the show will start the second part will start in a while.